Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy O'Brien Street, and in this video, I will be showing you four affiliate website that you can go start affiliate with. Uh, so this is the top four affiliate website that I would suggest you start off with in 2020. Uh, I was gonna say 2019, but that was like last year. We're still in the first one, so still in last year mode. So the first one is Max Bounty. To be honest, I'm gonna be honest. I actually learned about Max Bounty and the other one, um, say from a good friend, a good person that has teach me a lot online, and to be honest, Max Bounty and the other one I'm gonna tell you is kind of pretty new to me because as as what I heard, it's CPAA. That means cost per action. So that means every action, like say you're gonna be purchasing some, like say you're an affiliate for them and you're promoting stuff. Um, say you give them a lead, they're gonna pay you for your lead. So that's kind of pretty new to me, and I'm just wanna let you guys know. So leads, every lead you give this company, they're gonna pay you for it. So because they see the value of a lead. So I just wanted to let you guys know. Max Bounty is the first one, and the second one is Peerfly. So this one it also is uh, CPA, and it's affiliate. As I said, it's an affiliate website, so you can find a lot of affiliate programs on these websites, and I know that you guys gonna love them. And if you stick until this end of this video, you're gonna see I'm gonna give you my number one recommended for starting a business online. So, and this also have an affiliate program of their self. I wouldn't put it in this category because um, the four affiliate program sites that I'm telling you right now is just for affiliates, not for training you and stuff like that. For you, where you can find all the affiliate products and links and whatever you want to find in all different niches. But the the bonus to that I'm gonna give you at the end of this video is gonna say it's actually gonna teach you about online, and plus you can become an affiliate of them. And I'm gonna be honest, I love the last one. I love it. Before I get so deep in that, let's go to the third one. It's Jvzoo. So different from Max Bounty and the other one, Spearfly, um, Jvzoo, and the last one I'm gonna show you is a regular affiliate site. So as I said, Max Bounty and Spearfly is pretty new to me. So, and I think Spearfly in probably the next year or so, you're gonna have to, it's gonna be locked. So I think it's free at the moment. But you can go back to Jvzoo and find any product you want. You have a lot of categories. So any single thing, any niche you're in. So any single thing you want to promote online. So and they have the little training. So I'm gonna let me, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm gonna left these links for all three, all four to be exact, plus the bonus one that I'm gonna recommend to you in the link below. So please go check out the link and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. So Jvzoo is another affiliate website where you can find tons, tons of products online, tons of products. So there's limitless products are limitless. And the last one I'm going to show you right now within the four is the number one affiliate website. It's called ClickBank. It's free and it's pretty easy to use. So a lot of people use it. ClickBank, and you have a lot of categories. I'm gonna see if I can sign in. Oh no, I don't need. Sorry, I'm gonna switch this over here. So right here are the categories for ClickBank. So and you can see these on like Jvzoo as well. But look at the category, like anything you want to sell. These are the main categories. So in and that you have like sub categories and stuff. So and if hearing anything in the background, I apologize for that. But let's dive right back to this video. So art and entertainment, business, investment, computers, internet, um, e-business, education. So there's a lot of products, a lot of products here online. So for being an affiliate is pretty good, and there's gonna be a lot of person watching this video, I hope. But if you're gonna say, hey, O'Brien, I don't know where to start online and stuff, and where would be the best suggestion to start out online? So the one that I'm gonna show you right now is my number one recommending. It's it have the affiliate program, yes, but guess what? Um, it's it's a company that teach people how to make money online, as I was just saying, and their training is pretty good. Actually, I learned a lot from them. I went through their training. They're actually the person that influenced me to start a YouTube channel, and I'm just saying it's their their content is pretty great. They their affiliate program is pretty great, and they're not gonna just gonna tell you to promote their products, and they're gonna explain a lot of stuff. So if you're pretty new to this, and you're saying sorry about that, if you're pretty new to this and you're saying I don't know where to start and stuff, I would recommend the legendary marketers. They have a ton of product. When you're joining right now with my link below, you're gonna get started with 15-day online business builder. So that's gonna be the first link below this video. It's gonna be a 15-day online business builder, and there's a ton of content here, a ton. So, and I'm gonna be honest, they actually have a Facebook group that they have their members can help you out. So if you have a problem and say, oh, I have a situation and I don't know, I'm stuck, you can ask anyone, and plus you're gonna have a business advisor that you can book a call with. So you can see over here, you see my advisor, and you see my advisor right here. So, and this 15-day business challenge, I'm telling you, it's packed with a lot of information. Like the first day, number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit online business on the first day. So, and literally, as I said, you're gonna have a business advisor, so you can hop on a call anytime you feel like. So, and you're not gonna pay anything extra. Well, I should have told you that, but to join this program, you're gonna have to pay something because they're selling their knowledge. They're teaching you guys how to make money online for the 15-day business challenge. And to be a disclaimer, it's gonna be my affiliate link. So when you purchase this 15-day business challenge, I'm gonna get a little piece of money off it. But I'm gonna say for the price that they're selling this right now, it's really, really awesome. Literally, you can say, all right, for today I won't buy any coffee and just purchase this. Literally, it's pretty cheap, and there's a ton of information, a ton of information, and I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna regret it. So if you're serious about making money online, this legendary marketer is the place that you want to go, the place that you want to start out. I I I see. I'm still new to the online stuff, yes, but guess what? This company is more straightforward than a lot of these companies I've tried out. Because I've tried out a lot. Although I'm new, I've tried out a lot. So, and as I said, they have the affiliate link. So when you join them and you say you see the value in this, because there's gonna be a lot of value when you see the value in this, you can actually become an affiliate of them. And if you even if you don't want to become an affiliate and you still like want to finish the program and stuff and want to start your own business, literally they will help you. They will help you, and they have like live calls, live calls on Facebook like every single day in the week, except on Saturdays and Sundays, every single day. So yeah, you can even tune it. So as we say, tune into Monday to Friday wake up call legend about 10 Eastern time. So I'm just gonna tell you so every single day from Monday to Friday they're gonna filling you up with information. They'll be teaching you stuff. And these everybody in this company is literally just straightforward and upfront. If you wanna help, you'll get help. So I would say if you're really thinking about starting something online or making any money, join Legendary. But you have to be really serious because this is gonna take time. Anything that you're gonna do right now is gonna take time. So you're gonna invest in yourself right now. You're gonna have to invest a little time in yourself. So you're gonna have to like cut out some things that you don't need right now to invest. And if you have a whole heap of time, then you just invest. But guess what? You're gonna have to put in a lot of work too. So don't think you're gonna come in here and then you're gonna relax and start complaining about stuff. But you're gonna have to put in a lot of work. And I'm gonna say this last one time. This is a great company, and if you wanna join, the link is right below this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I create videos about how to make money online and the tools that you need when you're creating money, making money. And also, what you guys know, I create motivation quotes every single day and post them on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to check me out to get my motivation quotes like every day, you can check the link up below as well. So have a safe